welcome back to my channel. Everybody who's watching me for the very first time, my name is Priya, and today I will be trying out all the TikTok makeup hacks and create this look. So if you like the content I create, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button. And if you want to see how I got this look, then watch till the end. Okay guys, let's get started. I've already moisturized my face and I'm gonna go in with the Matte Perfection pre-makeup base from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to gently massage it all over my skin. So this is the beauty hack which I've seen on TikTok, and it's basically applying the Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder all over your face before applying the foundation. They said that the foundation coverage is much more better, so let's test it out today and see if it actually works or not. So in order to do that, I'm going to use the Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. Now I'm going to work on my eyeshadow. So in order to prime my eyelids, I'm going to use the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids and right above my eyebrow area, just so that when I do my eyebrows, it gives it some definition and it looks bold. Go in with the damp beauty blender and blend the concealer out so that it gives a perfect base for your eyeshadow. Then follow up with some loose setting powder and just dab the powder right on top of your eyelids. This will avoid your eyeshadow from creasing. Let's get the eyebrows done so we can actually jump on to the eyeshadow tutorial. For my eyebrows today, I'm using the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Pencil in the shade 400, which is called Rich Brown. So guys, let me know what other types of eyebrow pencils you guys use so I can try something else. So for my eyes today, my eyeshadow, I wanted to go a little traditional because you can hear the music in the background. It reminds me of rain and thunderstorm and all good vibes. So today I am going to use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm going to use both the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palettes to create this amazing beautiful yellow eyeshadow look. And then it reminded me of a traditional look, so I went with the traditional attire. As you guys saw in the intro, I was wearing all Indian traditional attire. Yep, I wasn't going anywhere. I was actually shooting for a clip, so I was like, why not, right? So I'm going to use the shade Grateful from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette number 2, and I am going to blend it all around the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm going to bring it towards the middle. I'm going to use the shade G Money, and I am going to use the same shade and apply it on the outer corner of my eyelid, and I'm going to drag it towards the inner corner of my eyelids. Then, as you can see in the tutorial in the video, that I'm using palette number 1 from Jaclyn Hill, and I am using the shade Chip, and I'm just applying it in the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm also dragging it towards the inner corner. Then I'm going to follow up with my CoverGirl True Blend Concealer, and I'm going to cut my crease. And you very gently use a concealer brush and dab the product right over your crease area, and basically dab the product towards the outer corner of your eyes. The best way to get a really clean cut crease is by keeping the mirror right around your chin area and looking down while applying the concealer on. I'm gonna go in with the shade called No Joke. It's a very pigmented yellow color shade, and I'm going to cover the crease area which we just cut with this beautiful yellow shade. And then we're gonna go over with the shimmery yellow shade. It's called Talia. With my fingertips, I'm just going to gently apply it in the middle of my eyelid, so it just gives it a pop of shimmery look. And I'm going to go in with the shade Temptress. It's a black shade. It kind of looks like bluish, dark blue, but It ended up looking like black, so I'm just going to dab this color in the outer corner of my eyes and smoke out the eyeshadow. Then I'm going to go in with an angled brush. I'm going to take the darker brown shade and I'm going to line the crease which I cut just above the crease. Then, of course, I wasn't going to be done. I felt like I needed some glitter and shimmer on, so I'm going in with the heavy metal glitter from Urban Decay, and the shade is called Disco Daydream. So I'm just going to gently dab it on the middle of my eyelid. For eyeliner, I'm using the favorite, the High Precision Black Eyeliner from Sephora, and there you go, lashes on. Doesn't that look gorgeous? I'm gonna go in with my powder brush and I'm going to dab more of that setting powder on top of my face. And I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix SPF 15 foundation in the shade NC42 and apply it on my skin. And at first, I was shocked to see the kind of coverage this makeup hack provides me with. Like, honestly, I was really shook. So I applied the foundation on and I'll show you what it looks like in a couple of minutes after I'm actually done with my full face. The second TikTok makeup hack. So instead of making this triangular shape with your concealer right underneath your eyes, we're just going to apply a little bit of concealer right at the inner corner of my eye, and we're going to drag it to 3/4 ways of your eyes. Then we're going to make a fine line right on the side of the nose, and then we're going to take the concealer on the outer corner of our eyes and we're going to drag it upward so it gives your skin a lifted look. Now, what I realized after doing this was that even though my beauty blender was really damp, my concealer wasn't blending. So what I did, I had to go and soak my beauty blender with water and blend it again. So this is one of the things which I didn't like about it, is because it kind of did not blend right. Okay, I'm going to finish the look now. So I'm going to use the NYX California Beaming Bronzer to contour my face. I'm just going to apply it in the hollows of my cheek, right in the jaw area and on my forehead, so I can get some definition on my face. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, the shade Daydream, to highlight my cheekbones and my nose. I'm using the lipstick from Milani in the shade 11 Precious, and it is an absolutely gorgeous color. If you guys are looking for some nudish pinkish lip colors, this is the one which I would totally recommend. It is absolutely pigmented and really high quality. I'm going to finish the look with the MAC Prep and Prime setting spray, and wow guys, the foundation coverage turned out absolutely stunning. However, I felt like whenever I took pictures, my foundation looked really patchy. So if you want, go ahead, give it a shot and see how it works for you. Thank you so much guys for watching the video till the end with me, and if you love the content I create, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time whenever I upload a new video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial as much as I did, and thank you for watching.